Okay, now that we've had a look at drawing basic lines and shapes and simple edits to those shapes, we now need to move on to something a little bit more advanced. If I wanted to start off building a more abstract shape and I clicked on my rectangle, I could, as we have said before, start to build up something which is fairly abstract, and then I could concentrate on taking the lines away, and that would be one way round. But if I wanted something which again starts as a geometric shape but has less or more sides than a rectangle, I could go back to my Draw Edit toolbar and click with my left hand mouse button and hold that down. You should see a secret menu of hidden icons appear. Now if you have a look, the first one obviously is Draw a Horizontal Rectangle, but if we scroll across we can see triangles, parallelograms, Beziers, and then polygons with given centres. Now if you have a look at that one, let go with your left hand mouse button, you should see a little dialog box come up. Now that says regular polygon settings and the default is 6. If I click on OK and then click on my page, I can drag out a hexagon and I can rotate that until I'm happy with it, reduce or enlarge the size until I'm quite happy that the lines are straight, and then I can click to set. It's worth saying here that it's worth taking a little bit of care and time to try and get those lines exactly how you want them. It saves a lot of time later. If I'm happy with that, I could click there and I could keep doing that until I have the shape that I am happy or comfortable with. If I then wanted to go back and change that to a 5-sided shape, I could simply do that again and draw a pentagon. Or go back, double click, and I can draw a triangle. Now I'm drawing a triangle here rather than in a previous button because it tends to be a lot easier. And again, rotating them and getting them just how you want is worth taking a little bit of time over. Once you've done that, you can, as we have before, take the shapes, move them around, rotate them until you are happy with what you have. The same goes for any of the geometric shapes. For example, if I want to go and click on circles, click and hold the mouse down, I can scroll across to the second one, and that tells me that I can draw a circle with a given centre and radius. If I let go now, the default in the dialog box is 50mm. That tells me that the radius of my circle that I'm going to draw is 50mm, and I can click there and I can draw circles until I'm completely happy and then click back on pointer.